Hey guys, it's Emily here on the Emily SORC channel today, and I am so excited to teach you guys how to do a backbend. Now, I have not learned how to get up from this, but I most certainly can teach you how to do a backbend. In the most easiest steps I've learned, honestly, my friend taught me how to do this, so hashtag you. Enough being weird, let's get into the video. Let's go. Alright guys, first to start with, my cameraman over here.
Hi, I'm Xander.
He will be filming this video today, so please let's get a whole bunch of likes and subscribers as a thank you for my friend Xander recording this video today. Alright guys, to start off with your back bend, make sure you stretch. Take your arm, this arm here, pull it back, do the same for the other arm, bend down and touch those toes. And you can also just like lay down on the trampoline or on the ground and like twist your back like this. And another good stretch is this. Any arching your back will help. Alright guys. Take your hands, make a little triangle, like a Illuminati, okay? Let's do this. You're gonna go up, and you're just gonna follow that down till you get to the ground. Let's do this. See guys, it was easy as 1, 2, 3. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can also keep watching this video if you guys had a little difficulty. So please don't forget to like this video. Comment down below any questions, comments, anything down below. In the bio, I will put my Instagram account. And please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, peeps. Give a thanks to my friend Xander. Alright, guys.